Okay, so this is number 8 in 9.3, another hyperbola. And again, right here and here, the center is 0, 0. So if we look at all these graphs, yeah, they all have 0, 0 for their graph. So what we would do then is find the vertices. So I would go to the first denominator, because with hyperbola, what's positive should go first, what's negative should go second. So because 25 is under the x, I'm going to go to the right 5 and left 5. So if you look at this, these go up and down, so I don't want either one of those. And this one is going too far, so I don't want that one either. So it looks like this will be my graph. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have vertices at -5 and +5. Then, when you look at the second denominator, it's an 81. So I'm going to go up and down 9. So I go up to 9 and down to 9. And so remember, it's all because the center is right here at 0, 0. All right, so depending on how you're going to do the imaginary box or get your asymptotes, right now the slope was plus or minus. We went up and down 9 for my y value, side to side 5. So you could go up 9 over 5, put dots, or you could count up, or do the imaginary box this way. That's approximately what it is, and that's how they got that imaginary x. They were going through these corners, if you will, and then they went back to the vertices, my blue dot, so that's why they go back and they do that red line. So when you come back up here, my vertices would be at the smaller one, technically, is -5, 0 and 5, 0. And then the foci, we would look at our graph and we'd say, oh, well, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So we're going to do c is the square root of 25 plus 81. And so when you do 25 plus 81, I'm looking at c is the square root of 106. So that's more than 10. So if I go back to my center and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we're somewhere out here for this focus, which would be adding to the 0 is just 106 to the right, square root of that, comma 0. And we're over here, negative square root of 106, comma 0. And so you can put those two numbers right there for your focus. And then the asymptotes, they're just asking you for the one that has negative slope and the positive slope. So again, remember, the center is at 0, 0. So both of these asymptotes that they're drawing in have intercepts of 0 already. I can see that on the graph. So all I have to do is do y equals -9/5 x. And then this one would be the y equals +9/5 x. And then we'd be done.